Welcome to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. This is the Herb of the Week series, where we explore the fascinating world of herbs and their benefits. Today we delve into the wonders of sage, the silent healer. The aroma of sage is unique and powerful. It speaks of warmth and earthy flavors. This potent herb has graced gardens and kitchens for centuries. Sage is more than just a culinary ingredient. It is a symbol of wisdom and healing across cultures. Sage adds depth and complexity to dishes. It can elevate simple recipes to new heights. But its allure goes beyond taste. Its history is rich with folklore and medicinal uses. Sage, scientifically known as Salvia officinalis, boasts ancient roots. It originates from the Mediterranean region. Its use dates back thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians revered sage for its medicinal properties. They used it for embalming and digestive issues. The Romans too recognized its value. They considered sage sacred. They believed it improved memory and wisdom. The name sage comes from the Latin word salvere, meaning to heal. Sage is a versatile herb in the culinary world. Its slightly peppery, earthy flavor pairs well with various ingredients. Sage is a staple in many cuisines. It is indispensable in Italian cooking. One classic use is in the iconic Italian dish, saltimbocca. Veal cutlets are layered with prosciutto and sage. Then they are cooked in a buttery white wine sauce. The sage adds a distinct aroma and flavor to the dish. Sage is also commonly used to flavor roasted poultry. It is often used with other herbs like rosemary and thyme. This creates a fragrant and flavorful rub for the bird. Sage has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It is believed to have various health benefits. Sage contains compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Sage tea, made by steeping sage leaves in hot water, is a popular remedy for sore throats. Sage is also thought to aid digestion and reduce bloating. Some studies suggest that sage may improve memory and cognitive function. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these benefits. Thank you for watching the Finding Silence YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next herb of the week.